Hello everyone, today we will take you to learn more about Pansol Bridge Circular Column Steel Formwork. It has passed CE and ISO 9001 related certifications. The diameter of Pansol Bridge Circular Column Steel Formwork is generally from 0.4 meter to 4 meters, and the formwork height is usually 1 to 6 meters, which can be flexibly matched and combined according to the actual construction situation. According to statistics, in the past 100 bridge projects, the specification adaptation rate of Pansol Bridge Circular Column Steel Formwork is as high as 98%. Pansol Circular Column Formwork has a high reuse rate. The formwork material is strong and durable, and it is carefully designed and manufactured. It is not easy to deform or damage during multiple uses, disassembly, and transportation. According to actual project statistics, compared with ordinary circular column formwork, the number of reuse times of Pansol Circular Column Formwork can be increased by 30%, effectively reducing project costs. Now we come to Pansol's production workshop. We strictly control the raw materials and only use standard steel. Advanced CNC cutting equipment accurately cuts materials according to the design drawings, and the dimensional error can be controlled within 0.5 mm. In the welding process, Pansol's professional workers work in harmony with the automated welding equipment to ensure that the welds are uniform and firm. After flaw detection, the weld qualification rate is as high as 99.8%. In the application scenario of bridge construction, Pansol Bridge Circular Column Steel Formwork is widely used in the construction of various bridge piers. In the construction of Dubai Municipal Bridge, with its convenient installation method and stable performance, it helped the project complete the bridge pier construction 20 days ahead of schedule. After calculation, the construction cost of the project was reduced by 15%. Thank you for watching. Pansol Bridge Circular Column Formwork looks forward to working with you to create more high-quality bridge projects.